In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Grok Unhinged mode. Think of Unhinged mode as guiding Grok to reply with a bolder, sassier personality. There isn't a secret toggle. You're shaping the tone through your prompt and your custom instructions, so replies feel more sarcastic, quick-witted, and playful, while still staying within platform guidelines. Start by opening your browser and heading to grok.com. Give the page a moment to load so all the interactive elements appear. You're looking for the chat area, usually a clear button or link labeled chat on the home page or in the main navigation. Click that to open the conversation window where you'll be composing your request and setting the tone. Once you're in the chat, use your prompt to define the style you want. This is where you cue the unhinged voice. In plain language, tell Grok to answer in a sarcastic and unfiltered tone. For example, start your message with something like, "Answer in a sarcastic, witty, and unfiltered style. Confident, punchy, and playful, but still helpful." Adding this guidance at the top of your prompt sets expectations for the response that follows. Remember, unfiltered here describes a lively, less formal voice. It doesn't mean ignoring safety rules or being offensive. If you want to keep things enjoyable and useful, anchor the tone with boundaries like "keep it respectful and safe" or "no profanity." Next, adjust your custom instructions so this tone becomes your default. Look for the custom instructions or settings panel in the chat interface. In the description of how you want Grok to respond, add a concise note about the desired persona. For example, use a sarcastic, unhinged adjacent sense of humor. Be concise, direct, and playful while staying accurate and within guidelines. This helps keep the style consistent across future chats without having to rewrite the tone every time. With your prompt crafted and custom instructions tailored, press enter to submit. Watch how Grok responds. If the voice isn't quite sharp enough, nudge it by clarifying your tone note and resubmitting. If it overshoots and feels too snarky, dial it back by adding a line like "tone down the sarcasm slightly." Iterating on that first line of your prompt is the fastest way to land exactly where you want. And that's it. Go to the site, open chat, set the sarcastic and unfiltered style in your prompt, fine-tune your custom instructions, then press enter to lock it in. You'll have Grok's unhinged mode vibe on tap. Punchy, witty, and still practical.